I've never purported to have all the answers. That's why I rely so much on the wonderful and talented people around me.
More than 100 people killed in Indianapolis so far this year. The city on pace to hit a record for homicides. And we are hearing from many of you tonight who are angry. Also tonight, a new plan from the mayor and IMPD leadership on how to make our city safer. But some community leaders still have questions. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm Fanchon Stinger.
And I'm Beershald May in for Dan tonight. So the plan includes focused community policing from beat officers to commanders, safe places for domestic violence survivors, and media campaigns to get children home safely at night.
We also know IMPD will increase the number of officers in their violence crime unit. We are also hearing from some members of the community tonight who have questioned whether the city's leadership had a homicide prevention plan when numbers started rising last fall.
Fox 59's Courtney Crown live in the newsroom for us tonight. So Courtney, what other skepticism is there about this new plan?
Well, there are dozens of clergy members and retired officers who came up with a detailed plan to present to IMPD and Mayor Hogsett. They've been demanding action since last September that elected leaders come up with a strategy to tackle gun violence. Back then, they warned the homicides were going to soar. Days before they could talk with the mayor and the chief about the plan, the city launched its own.
I would address those concerns with an open mind.
Following a rollout of the city's strategy to keep people safe, Mayor Joe Hogsett publicly committed to hearing ideas from a specific group led by the Indianapolis 10-Point Coalition, along with dozens of clergy, retired officers, and other community leaders who today confirmed a time to meet with the mayor. These are people whose boots are on the ground in neighborhoods across the city and have been for years.
If it's a 25-point plan, if it's a 30-point plan, I'm all ears. That doesn't necessarily mean we're going to be able to implement all of their ideas.
We have, a police plan for the police department, which is about 25 recommendations. Then we have some that we want to recommend to the mayor. We wish they would have waited and at least heard what we had to say and then launch the plan.
Mayor Hogsett, Chief Randall Taylor, and members of the group will meet on Tuesday.
Peace in the streets, stop the violence.
Tonight, Hogsett, Reverend Charles Harrison, and other members of the community informally met at this public safety peace walk organized by the community.
There are strategies that we're going to recommend that have been tested and tried over the years.
Some of the most effective deterrence of crime is simply being there, simply being visible and being available and knowing the communities.
Everyone agrees the solution takes everyone working together.
Everybody wants to help and try to contribute to the lowering of the violence.
Well, one solution is focused beat policing in the communities with the highest crime. Every 2 hours of their shift, officers are to spend 15 minutes talking with neighbors. We have the full plan from today's news conference available to you on fox59.com. Reporting in the newsroom tonight, Courtney Crown, Fox 59 News.
All right, Courtney, thank you.